Introducing Tiling by Bostik. No matter how big or small your project, Bostik have you covered from substrate to surface. This Bostik Help and Advice series will walk you through the do's and don'ts on your next tiling project. Bostik's substrate to surface system includes all key steps from correct substrate preparation, waterproofing, selection of the right glues, and finishing with Bostik grouts. Surface preparation. Sweep area to remove friable material such as dust and loose particles. Check porosity with a small drop of water. If it soaks in, the surface is porous. If it beads, the surface is non-porous. Use appropriate Bostik primer for the surface type. This helps extend the coverage of waterproofing and ensure the substrate is ready to adhere to. Sealing and waterproofing. Sealing substrates correctly could be the difference between a watertight wet room and thousands of dollars of repair bills. Bond breakers are used to break the bond between the substrate and waterproofing membrane to allow natural expansion and movement. Waterproofing membranes have elasticity, which allows for them to stretch as buildings flex. But if they were attached to the substrates, they would tear. Bond breakers allow a bridge for the flex to grow and shrink. Apply a good quality waterproofing membrane to a prepared substrate. Using two coats going perpendicular to each other to ensure best coverage will give peace of mind that your project is watertight. Use a wet film gauge to check the thickness and always refer to minimum coverage thickness stated on packaging. Check that you are using the most suitable membrane for your job and will be compatible with your planned adhesive. There are many different waterproofing projects and a range of suitable products to match. Inside the house, rooms such as bathrooms, kitchens and laundries are important waterproofing projects. Exterior jobs such as balconies, swimming pools and rooftop terraces all need membranes to protect their substrates and whatever lays below. Finding the right solution will save the future heartache of a leaky property. Adhesives. Not just any glue will do. Check the compatibility on the bag or the TDS from www.bostik.com.au for which adhesive to use with which type of tile. Also check suitability of indoor-outdoor use or floor and wall adherence. Select the correct mixing attachment for mixing adhesives. Bostik products require a paddle mixer to give correct consistency, not a ribbon mixer which is used for paint. Mixing and applying adhesive correctly is very important. Mixtures can wet out during the mixing and applying process. Ensure you add powder to liquid, whether it is water, Megalastic or product-specific liquid. Mix for a minimum of 2 minutes, then let the bucket stand for a couple of minutes, then mix again for a further 2 minutes. This will allow the mixture to wet out before it is applied. Apply adhesive to an area that can be worked before skinning. Trowel in horizontal lines. No swirls to ensure 80% coverage when tiles are bedded into adhesive. Lift tiles occasionally to check minimum 80% coverage. Choosing the correct coloured grout to set off your tiling project will make or break the look you are trying to achieve. Mix grout by adding powder to required volume of water or Megalastic using a mechanical mixer until a paste-like consistency is reached. Small volumes can also be mixed by hand. Bostik has a wide range of grouts in colours and textures for every job. In demanding situations or areas subject to intensive cleaning chemicals such as bathrooms, commercial kitchens or shopping centres, use high-quality Bostik epoxy grout specifically for grout lines between 1.5mm to 15mm. Bathrooms and areas requiring fine grout lines and pure white grout will look great with Bostik White Smooth Grout. This unsanded grout in bright white colour is ideal for elegant fine lines of 1.5 to 3mm. Thanks for joining us for the Bostik Help and Advice series. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and follow us on socials.